Hello, I want to share with you Read, Write, Think. This is something that I've just come across and I think is going to be a really great asset for so many of us as we're teaching elementary school and especially literacy. So this seems like a really fantastic website that would be an asset for anyone who is planning ELA. I want to focus on the student interactives that this website has. They're not anything super fancy, but they are precise in what they provide. So if you scroll down, the one that I'm most interested in, because I will be teaching third grade, is this story map, which is one of the most important things that you can teach kids when it comes to fictional stories. And I am planning on doing a fractured fairy tale unit this fall, and so I could very easily just put in Goldilocks and the Three Bears. I could put in the title by, I don't remember, and then I just get to choose which graphic organizer I want to work on. And so we could just talk about the setting. And I love that it allows it to be so interactive, right? So I get to click in here and it's, okay, where does the story take place? The story takes place in a cottage in the woods. Hit enter. When does the story take place? Let's see. The story takes place in the afternoon. This is great. So it makes the students follow along with all of the important components of the setting, write a detailed description of the setting, weather, noise, colors. Let's see. There are beds, a cottage. I always imagined that maybe it was cloudy. I don't have a specific version of Goldilocks and the Three Bears stuck in my head. And then it gives the option to print, which I think is really awesome. Select another graphic organizer or choose to print. So let's see, how would you get back at this point? Oh, so you can come up here and then you could do a character map and we could do Goldilocks. So this would be great because all of my students' Chromebooks are connected to the printer and so they could print it. This would be a fantastic way to then compare different versions of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. So I think this would be a really great way of teaching students to take control of their learning. And if we look at the ISTE standards, that students would be engaging in authentic learning opportunities and using technology in a way that increases their educational opportunities. And Read, Write, Think has a lot of other classroom resources too that can be explored, lesson plans, and lots of other things. So I think this is a really great asset that we can use. Thanks.